Then I did this, I did that. Everything is wow, wow. Look at the car going, wow. Look at the helicopter going, wow. Look at the plane going, zzz. Right or not? And everything is to be a wow, wow, wow. But as we grow older and older, and you came to know about Boyle's law, you came to know about Einstein, you came to know about Newton's law, you came to know so many things. You say, what is this, sir? That current light there, because that switch, it gives the current, that, what you call circuit, it connects it. The current passes through the wire, and therefore you know physics very well. Yes or no? Then I will say, look at that tree here, it gives oranges. Sir, this is photosynthesis, sir. This is this, sir, that, sir, this is gravity, sir. I know everything, sir. That knowing I had, yes or no, my dear friends? And look at the knowing, how many hundred things that you know from the age of 8 or 9, but why is your face looking, I'm asking that question. How did that deafness come into our hearts, into our faces? With more and more knowing, life and growing should happen. The fact is, I want to ask, whether you are growing from the womb and reach wherever you have reached, or you are falling into the cemetery every day passes. Both are same, isn't it? Both are same. If I am 35 years of age, I am grown from the womb to 35. And if I am 35 years of age, I am falling into the cemetery as quickly every day. Right or not? So the fact is, but there is a world of difference in that attitude of growing from the womb and falling into the cemetery. Yes or no, friends? In the same way, have an attitude of growing from the womb. Then you say, I know that happened. Has the knownness enhanced or deleted your wowness? Has it enhanced your wowness? Wow, history that happened in Napoleon's time, it has funneled into a book. Wow, that wow is not there. And say, mathematics, calculation, Ramanujan, when he saw that, wow, he felt, right or not, sir? So why that wowness has got deadened, why it has got deleted, as and when you know. And when I read this mantra, all of you know this, I know. Asatoma Satgamaya, Tamasoma Mrityormaya. Last one is? Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. That Mrityu is not that Yamaraja, when he comes, hey, you hold on here. I have got one program to attend, I will finish that and then I will come to you. मेरा ATM चलता नहीं है, आजकल वो होने के बाद मैं आपके पास आता हूँ. Can you tell that to Yamaraja? It is not to stop any Yamaraja. You understood that? That Mrityu is the Mrityu that I am experiencing minute to minute. No wowness happened. And you go and see the Niagara Falls. अरे पानी इतना बेकार में जाता है, मेरा घर में पानी नहीं है, पाइपलाइन बना देता तो पाइपलाइन पानी अरे चलो नेक्स्ट में आएंगे. The Eiffel Tower इतना मोटा है यार, फुकट का इतना बड़ा स्टील डाल के बनाया है, इतना बड़ा. देखो ऊपर मॉल है क्या या पीवीआर सिनेमा है, नहीं है क्या, बेकार है. चलो नहीं. Nothing inspires us. Nothing seems to inspire us. So when nothing inspires you, your knownness has created a mrityu. Resano, my friend. And we are praying again and again. That what we are saying, asatoma, satgamaya, tamasoma, jyotirgamaya, mrityoma, amritam means amrita. Amrita is deathlessness. Don't liberate me from that deathlessness. Take me to that deathlessness. And deathlessness is the changing situation we are going into and a wowness to everything that happens. Yes or no, friend? You can ask me, क्या है सर इतना बड़ा वावनेस? Even the Shiva Sutras, Lord Shiva can say again and again, ज्ञानम जागृतः, he says. But what is our experience? ज्ञानम sleepatah. Is ज्ञानम जागृतः? ज्ञानम sleepatah. It is creating more and more deadness only. It is not creating any kind of wowness, right or not? So ज्ञानम जागृतः means a life should happen. Therefore, friends, make sure. Welcome back. Madam. You sit right in front. I'm inspired by you. Now that she has covered, I'll quickly finish my thing.
No, please. No. Take your time. Archana, please.
Therefore, friends, quickly I would like to touch upon this aspect. Therefore, I want you to see this. You may ask, what is there to celebrate in life? What is there to celebrate in life? Everything is there to celebrate in life. I don't know why the mrityuness, the deathness has cost this to us. I want you all to join me in one small process that I would like to do with you. Will you all join me? Will you all join me? Yes. Now, you have become, whatever your age is. Some of you are 60 and all. Some of you are maybe 30, 35, some of you are just 25, okay? But you have passed through the age of 4 or 5, yes or no? Yes. Sometime in your life you are 4 or 5, correct or not? I want you to recall yourself as a child of 4 or 5 years of age. You can do that? Yes. Now put your hands in front of you and say like a child. Okay? Don't say, the right call. No. Brown soil. Come on. Brown soil. Again, brown soil. Brown trunk. Brown trunk. Green leaf. Green leaf. Shades of green leaf. You know what I'm talking about? इसलिए already. देखो आगे बढ़ो फिर भी 4 बरस का उम्र में कैसा ग्रीन लीफ शेड्स ऑफ ग्रीन लीफ व्हाइट फ्लावर रेड फ्लावर वायलेट फ्लावर ब्लू फ्लावर अरे एप्पल अरे ऑरेंज अरे नारंगी अरे सपोटा अरे बनाना knowledge of botany and all that, sir, ऐसा है, sir, photosynthesis है, ये है, I don't want all that. Yes or no? I don't want all that. हाँ ना? आपको मैं brown को green करने को बोलूँगा ना, you will take the entire resources of the whole planet to get that. अब फिर भी एक छोटा सा पेड़ करता है, उसका एक वाव भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि दीवाना बन के गाड़ी में जाएंगे पेड़ देखेंगे तो लोग यार सब लोग अपना नमो ये नहीं मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ दीवाना नहीं बनना है लेकिन एक मन के अंदर एक सेलिब्रेटिव माइंड होना ही चाहिए है ना अरे ये इतना बड़ा उम्र का आदमी इधर आके करता है एक स्टेप आगे लेगा तो नीचे गिरेगा वाह ये वावनेस अंदर के अंदर होनी चाहिए बाहर की क्लाइमेट में 32 डिग्री से अंदर हमारा 22 डिग्री से फिर भी एक वावनेस होनी चाहिए है ना हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट मिला या नहीं मिला फिर भी वाव होता है हमारा शादी हुआ तो वाव है डाइवोर्स हुआ तो वाव है तो ऐसा एक मन अगर आप रखेंगे एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर you need to have that state of wonderment and serenity. Everything you say, I am bringing the best of product, but this fellow is not accepting that product. Wow! Right or not? But what? This is a finished product, but he's taking tons of it. Wow! Yes or no, my dear friend? So that kind of one should be there, and when you do that, a tremendous difference will start taking place. So what you need to cultivate, I would like to go for the last slide, and therefore have a celebratory mind. When you have a celebratory mind outside, rather than an emotionally disturbed volcanic mind, when you have that, you will see that celebratory mind will give logic to the logical mind, and that will protect your emotional mind. I am not saying you will not get hurt. You are likely to get hurt. How many of you are married here? I don't want to ask the next question. However, as you grow older and older, you are coming in touch with what life presents before you, hurt and upsets and things like that. And the art and the skill of knowing how to surf on that is the real art of being an entrepreneur. If you do not know and get swung into it, or drowned into it, and you provide leakages of energy, May God help you. My dear friends, therefore, let this be your mind and cultivate that mind. People put their emotional mind outside. Or volcanic minds outside. Go and touch him, will start coming. Instead, keep that emotional mind inside, cultivate our very celebrated mind outside, and then these 3 things, just for a recall, I am asking you to see it. Okay, friends? Is this true? Core freedom. We need to exercise. Plug the leakages. We need to exercise. And wonderment. Please see you cultivate. Have I touched upon all these things? Yes. You remember it all this while? Yes. Wonderful, friends. And therefore, with that in your mind, I would like to say that we have wonderful corporate systems. What about mind systems? There's a question I would like to ask everywhere. I go to schools and colleges, and almost 79,000 students we have covered. Each time a batch of together. Yesterday only I was in Tapur College, I was saying. I had 405 students from different areas in Kandivali, and presenting to them is a satisfaction to me. At least they have the skill of how to handle the formulas that they are installing in your mind, which causes the self-belief. If you need to be powerful and successful, you need to have the ability to handle these kind of self-building formulas that you are installing. And that mind system audit is important. Like they say, Chittameva Samsaraha, Tat Prayatnena Shodaye. That Shodaye is an auditing system which you need to install. And this we do in Prasanna Trust. These are all on transformations which we are doing. The healthy minds for youth is another thing which we are going to schools and colleges are doing. I require support from all of you in whatever way you feel that students need to be taken forward. All the vice chancellors, chairpersons are here, and vice chancellor madam is also there. I'm sure she can help in making sure that goes to more and more students. And these are all the programs we have taken in various schools and colleges. Just a few photographs. One day's presentation convent in Harvard, there were 600 students at one time enjoying the fact and at the same time getting impacted by it. Yes, friends. And therefore, mind skill is created with design and not by default. Don't think that I say बैठा रहेगा, टीवी देखते देखते अपने आप mind skill आएगा, नहीं आएगा. शिल्पकार बनना चाहिए, परिणाम नहीं होना चाहिए. लाइफ की परिणाम नहीं होनी चाहिए, शिल्पकार बननी चाहिए. उसके लिए मेहनत डालना पड़ेगा. And that's what I'm saying, friends. And with that, thank you very much for this.